Hello viewers, welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen, and today we are going to make Sri Lankan version of coconut chambal. So this is how it looks like, and it goes well with idiyappam or string hoppers and many other dishes. So let's see how it is being made. Let's get next to the ingredients. To make the coconut chambal, which originated from Sri Lanka, these are the ingredients that I'm going to use. I'll start off with salt, about 6 to 7 dried chilies, some oil, approximately about 2 tablespoons, and this is about 1.5 teaspoons of chili powder, and I also have 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 1 sprig of curry leaves, 1 lemon, and I have 1 whole pot of garlic and 1 onion finely chopped. So let's get into the kitchen and see. We have to fry the spices and then grind it, then we'll add them into the coconut. I have already warmed up the oil, so I'm not sure if it's already been heated up or not. So we'll try it out with just throwing 1 single onion. Nope, it is not hot yet, so we'll come back when it's hot. So to start off, I'm going to add the garlic, so I'm going to fry the garlic a little bit. And now I'm going to add the onion. Chilies, curry leaves, and at this point I'm going to add some salt and mix it up. And at this point I'm going to add the cumin seeds, and at this point I'm going to add the chili powder, so we fry them till the oil separates. This is a spicy dish, dear viewers, and you may control your own way of controlling the chilies. And this dish perfectly goes with string hoppers, rice, even dosa or idlis too. So I'll wait until the oil gets separated, dear viewers, and this has already been cooled off. So now I'm going to grind this into the mixer over here, and then we'll add them into the coconut. To grind this, I'm just going to add a little bit of water. That should be fine, and we'll grind it. So I finished grinding, so now I'm going to mix it with the coconut. And with your bare hands, before that I'm just going to squeeze half a lime. And also mix it up. At this stage I will need some coconut. I do have, so I'm just going to add in. I'm using frozen coconut. This is one whole pack of the coconut, so I'm just going to I'm breaking them up a little bit and mix it up. At this stage I have to check for salt. I'm running out of salt, so I'm just going to add a little bit. And dear viewers, and here is your end product of the coconut chambal that originated from Sri Lanka. So you have seen this, how to make them, and it goes well with any kind of dishes, including rotis and so on. And do try it out and let me know in your comments. And also please do like the channel, subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you and see you in my next video.